Hi everyone. We're here today to introduce you to our book, Culturally Responsive Teaching in the Brain by Zaretta Hammond. Our presentation today is by Tony Ann, Sarah, Kylie, and myself. We put a direct link in for the book, and I would highly recommend this book. It is so easy to read, so easy to follow, but provides so much useful information on being culturally sensitive in our ever-changing world. Our table of contents include our introduction, Part 1, Building Awareness and Knowledge, Part 2, Building Learning Partnerships, Part 3, Building Intellective Capacity, and then finally, last but not least, is our conclusion. So let's get started with our introduction. I want you to think about this. Famous poet Maya Angelou says, "You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness. But still, like air, I'll rise." I want you to reflect on that for a second. We've all felt a time when we weren't good enough, when we were defeated, when we were deflated, when we felt like everyone around us was just coming down on us. What did you have to do? How deep did you have to dig? Did you rise? As we reflect, I want you to reflect on what culturally responsive teaching is. I want you to take a minute to follow our link to our Padlet, where you can share your thoughts, ideas, and background knowledge on our class Padlet. I'm not looking for the right answer. I'm just looking for what it means to you.